was not supposed to happen. It's October 29th today. That means it shouldn't be snowing. Well then what the hell is that? There is so much snow outside, it is literally just... I can't even think of a way to describe this. It's hurting me, actually. I don't have a problem with snow, it's just that, you know, it's October. We don't need snow right now, at least, which is why I would like to initiate Blizzard Watch 2011. Of course, Joe's gonna be doing that because I have a date tonight. See ya!